Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving your data. This prevents loss if deeper steps follow. Once done, power off and boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app causes the green line. If the line disappears, uninstall recent apps one at a time. If not, proceed. Next, run the Xiaomi display diagnostic or hardware test to confirm it's a panel or software fault. Make sure to note whether the line appears during the test patterns or only in normal use. Once safe mode didn't fix it, boot into recovery mode and wipe the system cache partition. This clears corrupted temporary files that can affect display drivers. Then run full pattern tests. Black, red, green, blue, and gradient. Look for persistent vertical lines. You can gently press along the phone's frame and around the display to check if the line changes. If it flickers or moves, a loose display connector or panel issue is likely. So note that behavior. If cache and tests failed, do a factory reset as the final software attempt. Ensure backup first because this erases data. After reset, if the green line remains, arrange a screen replacement or authorized repair. Make sure to use genuine parts under warranty when possible. One key troubleshooting tip. If a new screen still shows the green line, the problem likely lies on the motherboard or GPU. In that case, stop further DIY work and contact a professional technician or Xiaomi service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.